Welcome to Gear Speed Hub, your ultimate destination for the latest motorcycle reviews, honest insights, and in-depth analysis of bikes that thrill riders around the world. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140, a bike that continues to stand out in the off-road category for both beginners and experienced riders alike. The 2025 KLX 140 carries forward its legacy as a reliable and versatile trail bike. Designed with a focus on ease of use and fun riding experience, this bike is built for dirt adventures. It's powered by a 144cc air-cooled, single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine that delivers smooth, consistent power across a wide RPM range. Whether you're cruising through trails or taking on moderate jumps, the engine performance feels responsive and manageable. One of the standout aspects of the KLX 140 is its lightweight frame. The high-tensile steel perimeter frame provides excellent handling and stability, making it a great option for those who are just getting into off-road riding. The suspension setup includes a 33mm telescopic fork at the front and a fully adjustable uni-track rear suspension, which soaks up bumps effectively and offers a comfortable ride across varying terrain. The 2025 model also continues to offer three size options: the standard KLX 140, KLX 140L, and KLX 140RF, giving riders the flexibility to choose a model that fits their height and skill level. Each version is equipped with electric start, which makes it super convenient, especially for younger riders or those who are new to dirt biking. Braking is handled by a front disc and rear disc combo, providing strong and consistent stopping power. The bike rolls on lightweight aluminum wheels with off-road tires that offer good grip on dirt tracks, gravel paths, and light muddy conditions. The ergonomic design, including a low seat height and narrow chassis, ensures a confident riding posture for smaller riders. Kawasaki has kept the aesthetics sharp and modern, with bold new graphics for 2025 that give it a sporty and aggressive look. Maintenance on the KLX 140 is straightforward, with accessible components and a reputation for durability that makes this bike a long-term companion for weekend rides and learning the ropes of trail biking. Overall, the 2025 Kawasaki KLX 140 continues to be a solid choice for entry-level off-road enthusiasts. It brings together a smooth engine, responsive suspension, and user-friendly design in one neat package. Whether you're a teenager getting your first taste of trail riding or an adult looking for a lightweight, low-maintenance dirt bike, this model deserves a serious look. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on more awesome bikes, riding tips, and latest releases, make sure to hit that subscribe button. This is Gear Speed Hub, where your next ride begins.